Yo, what's up, homies? This is Scott. So, a lot's been going on in the past day. High Velocity Savage made a post about Katie Noel, and it was about Upchurch and this whole thing. I don't know if you guys are familiar with those people. They're singers, country people, rap stars. Anyway, he made a post, okay, about this, releasing some information about what Katie Noel said. And it started generating a lot of traffic right off the bat. Now, by a lot of traffic, I'm talking about a visit per minute, okay? And we had a long conversation on the phone. I was talking with Jay at CV Customs, and Jay says, we'll make a bet. I don't believe that this video that he posted will exceed 1,500 views within a month. Savage and I said, done. We will bet you that it will exceed 1,500 views within the month. Little did Jay know that within 24 hours, I think we're like 19 hours, he is now currently at 56,000 views. That is 56,000 views in less than 24 hours. I kid you not. Here it is right here. I just made his channel image. He wanted me to make he wanted me to make a new channel image. He told me he wants a bunch of middle fingers with the Golden Gate Bridge on fire and the Bay Bridge that goes to Oakland. He wants it to be called Burning Bridges with a bunch of middle fingers, which I did there for him. But there's the video. I hope you can make it out. Katie Noel responds to Ryan Upchurch, 56,000 views. I hope you can make that out. 56,000 views. And then he made another one shortly after, and it's got 11,000 views. So what's incredible is that, when things blow up on YouTube, they really blow up. And these two videos are going to make him a good amount of money. He's already had 100 subscribers from this, or close to it, and it's still growing, and it's going to grow and grow and grow. So this video will probably get over 100,000, maybe 200,000 after a couple days, if it continues. And he is definitely going to be making more videos. So go over there, check it out. It has no description, no tags, and the title is good. The title was done strategically because people have been waiting for the Katie Noel response, and he used that language in his title, and it got people to bite. So the entire success of this video, the editing is not that great. It's just him talking like he always does in the garage where he works on the cars. Nothing crazy, no pizzazz. It's just him talking, but the key is the title. He nailed the title, and that's why people jumped on this. So now he's getting some following now. So it's a game changer. These two videos are a game changer for him.